How's it going, everybody? February 28th, Merch by Amazon sales update. It's I'm recording this fairly late in the day, but there's probably still about 6 or 7 hours left until Amazon resets to the next day. So far, this day is going great. There's a bit of a drop, and we're just looking at the U.S. market. From, I guess, the last couple of days, it spiked on Friday with 27 sales, went down to 21, 19 yesterday, and today I'm sitting at 10. But like I said, there's a bunch of hours left in a day, but it doesn't look like it's gonna get near or past even the last 2 days. So there's definitely a bit of a drop in sales over the last 3 days when we're talking about U.S. sales. When we're talking about overall sales, right now I'm sitting at 21, but my average has actually been anywhere from 26 to about 31, at least for the last 4 days. If we look at actually this month's total, we're looking at 327 right now. So that's actually a pretty significant increase even from December and January, even for a shorter month. But this is the chart that I wanted to bring up. This is kind of where I was sitting, like 23 sales in the US, and then additional 27, so for the total of 30. Here, same thing, 30. The day after, I can't see the whole chart for some reason, but it looks like it was something like 22, 23. Yesterday, 26, at least, possibly even more. And then today I'm sitting at 21 right now. So the overall average is actually not changing much, but the US sales are dropping. And this number for the best-selling product isn't actually fluctuating much. But what's happened is the number of other products has dropped, at least today. Like if we look at, for example, yesterday, there were 9 unique products sold, which means that in addition to the bestseller, I sold 8 other products for the total of 19. That's the total yesterday. So today, sitting at 10, that's actually significantly lower. But as you can see here, I still did get 9 sales of the bestseller. However, I only got 1 additional product, and what I'm noticing here is 2 returns today, which could actually, I don't know if this is true, but I'm suspecting that, for example, if Amazon gets a spike in sales for a certain product, but also returns start actually increasing, that would probably cause some issues. So I wonder if that actually has anything to do with it. I don't know. Maybe somebody with more knowledge can actually provide more information. So anyways, we'll see. Like I think I said in my video yesterday that I fully expect the sales to go down, because I've been here a few times where a spike like this only does last a few days. But I mean, it would be incredible if it was to bounce back and go into March pretty much, with this kind of momentum. That would be amazing, but we'll see. So right now, the way it stands, let's actually look at the amount of sales. I have 194 total sales for the total amount of $3,617.86 for the total royalties of $605 in the U.S. market, which is actually double the last month. So that's incredible. And then the total right now, 327, and if it does change even a little bit, it won't change by much, but we're looking at, I was kind of doing the math quickly yesterday, and I would say that I probably wasn't off by too much, but we're definitely looking at when you convert this to US dollars, we're looking at let's say additional to almost 300, so about $1,000. There's going to be about $1,000 in profits, which is amazing, right? So that's kind of where I am right now. I'm going to keep you guys posted on what happens over the next couple of days, because right now this is kind of like the crucial moment. This can go back up, and this could be like the low day. It is Monday. I don't know if that means anything, but we'll definitely know over the next 2 days which direction it's going to go in. Because if my sales drop, tomorrow and then the day after, that's pretty much it for this trend. But if it goes back up, then that'll be great. However, we do have to keep an eye on the overall sales, and overall sales are still, doing really well, and they're not really, moving that much. If we just look at let's look at the last week. Actually, that'll give us the idea. So last week, 170 sales, and you can see these two marketplaces, Germany and Italy, stand out. So anyways, we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. Talk to you later.